Read out, beta. Zoom the screen. What is my thought of the day today?
Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try.
Very good. See, every day is bringing new thing. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. So what we are doing, we are struggling with the Zoom every day. We are not worried about our failures. We are thinking to keep on clicking. That's good, beta. Thank you so very much. Are you ready for the recap of the lesson? That is the page number 92, 93. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Beautiful. You're right, beta. Wonderful, wonderful thought. Sir, can you share the screen? Poll is ready, sir. If poll is ready, then give them this chance. 92 page, 93, 94. That is the 8 MCQs I have prepared from your first point, unjust deviance. Just kindly share the screen. Rehabilitation of refugees, administration problems. Yes. India was granted access to Kashmir through what? Keep on clicking, beta. Keep on clicking. Sashikil, what is the time you have given to them? 2 minutes or 3 minutes? It's just 8. Very easy.
Teacher, you can assign them. After that, I will
Just
end.
you just give them 3 minutes. Just give them 3 minutes. Just check the
Student,
time and fix the time.
you can see on your screen time is running, so you have to complete it in 3 minutes.
Somebody need to mute the mic, beta. Shakil, do they have the time or is it up now? Have you all done, beta? Have you done? Shakil, is it okay now? Sir Shakil?
जी टीचर, अभी 19
Time
बच्चों
is
ने
up.
किया 30 में से.
Oh, come on, hurry up,
Time is
beta.
up.
Hurry up.
5 minutes.
Time is up. Okay, okay. Those who don't want to participate, it's okay, sir. We cannot drag this activity. No? It's okay.
Okay. I'm going to end
Huh.
this.
Okay, and then. My dear students, these activities help you to revise the lesson and don't hesitate, don't get fear. Today, just in the morning, just right now, just 5 minutes before, I said, don't worry about your failures. Don't worry about your failures. Okay, Gurdaspur is okay. Number 1 is Gurdaspur. Number 2 is Redcliffe, very good. Most of the students they have done. Number 3, Maulvi Tumizuddin
The
was
result.
yes, Speaker of the Assembly, very good. Homeless, ruined refugees, this a very good, 81%, they were in camps. Very good. Pakistani officers started working where? Very good. In open areas, beta, I told you that there was no structure for that. There was no, we were lacking infrastructure there. So how much was the amount deposited in the bank? It was in your book. 400 billion, good effort. The proportional share of Pakistan was how much? 750, very good. 90% is there. And how many ordnance factories were given to Pakistan? None, beta. There were none, and they were given money. They were given 60 million to set up that one. So that is the recap of this. It's okay, beta. It's okay. You people are trying. I'm happy. Those who have tried, I'm happy. So can you share before I start, beta, I would like to share the slide of the map because today we are going to read the topic, the river water issue. So the second slide. It is the map of the Punjab. Before I teach you, sir, second slide, the river water issue, just make a zoom this picture. It is historic Punjab. Punjab was in this condition. Can you see the India part? And you can see that Amritsar, that is the east part, is East Punjab. And can you see the 5 blue rivers? This is the part of right now in Pakistan. So majority of the area, the big area is with Pakistan, and the smaller. So next screen, it will be more clear to you. Can you see the 5 rivers are flowing? Okay, now see, green part is your Punjab, which is called the Western Punjab. And Eastern Punjab, can you see a small part is with India? That is Amritsar, Chandigarh. This is the part of Punjab is still with India. Now, most of the rivers are flowing. We call it the Western Punjab, the west part of the Punjab, East and West Punjab. Is that clear? So kindly just show them the video of the rivers. I'm going to share that one before I start the river water issue. And where
The Indus River is the longest river in Pakistan and the 21st largest river in the world in terms of annual flow. It travels for 1,800 miles and carries an annual average of 272 billion cubic yards of water, which is twice that of the River Nile. The Indus has supplied water for irrigation on the plains of the Indus Valley since early times. One of the earliest civilizations formed along the banks of the Indus River. As early as 3000 BCE, agriculture began to develop in the Indus River Valley. The ruins of Mohenjo-Daro on the banks of the Indus River mark one of the earliest constructed cities in the world, dating back to between 2600 BCE and 1900 BCE. Today, the Indus River is still the key water resource for the economy of Pakistan, supporting many heavy industries as well as agriculture. The Indus is considered to be the lifeline of Pakistan by the people of that country. The Greek name for this river is Indos, and when Europeans first discovered it, they used its name as the basis for naming the entire country of India. The river rises in southwestern Tibet and flows northwest through the valleys of the Himalayas. The Indus is largely fed by the snows and glaciers of the Himalayas and other mountain ranges in Tibet, India, and northern Pakistan. After crossing into the Kashmir region, it continues northwestward through an area jointly administered by India and Pakistan. It then turns south into Pakistan. Swelled by tributaries from the Punjab region, it widens and flows more slowly. The word Punjab translates as the land of 5 rivers, named after the rivers that flow through it: the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej rivers. Finally, the Indus empties into the Arabian Sea near Pakistan's port city of Karachi. The Indus is one of the few rivers in the world that exhibits a tidal bore. A tidal bore is when the leading edge of the incoming tide forms a wave or waves of water that travel up a river against the direction of the current. The flow of the river is also determined by the seasons. It gets smaller in the winter, but floods its banks in the monsoon months from July to September.
Here, because I want to show you the exact origin that is the Himalayas range, then Tibetan Plateau, and for your information, River Indus basins is Afghanistan, China, and India and Pakistan. But the major beneficiaries are the 2 countries is India and Pakistan. Like River Nile. River Nile is a river from the Egypt, but it is irrigating different countries like Tanzania, Uganda, Congo, Kenya, Ethiopia, Sudan, Egypt, etc. So I would like to, before I start my topic today, page number 95. Page number 95, sir. Take your pencils in your hands. Page number 95 is the river water issue. Now we are reading about the early problems. Different kinds of issues arose, like distribution of the assets, administrative problems, rehabilitation of the refugees, unjust division of the different majority areas of Muslims. So today we are going to read the 6th point. The partition of the subcontinent affected the natural flow of the rivers. It is the information given here. Partition of the subcontinent is done, and what it affected? It also affected the rivers also, the natural flow of the rivers. According to international law, now this point is very important. Make a bracket around it, just mark a bracket around it. According to international law, what is the international law for the flow of the river? The natural channel. Natural channel means कुदरती रास्ता, कुदरती बहाव, the natural flow of the river. Starting from the कोई पानी को रोक नहीं सकता, ठीक है? इसका मकसद अपने ज़हन में रखिएगा. According to the international flow, the natural channel of the river is maintained, and 2 or more than 2 countries through which a river flows can benefit its water. Now I told you, not India and Pakistan, China. The flow is coming from China also, Afghanistan also. River Nile is touching the areas of Congo also, Kenya also, Egypt also, Ethiopia also, Sudan also. No, they are not supposed to stop the water. Here, international law, again, I'm telling you, the natural channel of the river is maintained. एक से 2 ममालिक जो हैं, वो उस river के flow को उस कुदरती बहाव से फैज़याब होते हैं, irrigate करता है उनको. The 2 rivers through which a river flows can benefit its water. No country has the right to divert the natural flow of the river to deprive some other countries. Nobody has the right. It's natural flow cannot be stopped by any country, whether passing through India, whether passing through China, or whether passing through the Afghanistan. According to the international law, they cannot divert. Divert का मतलब रुख बदलना, change the course, उसके बहाव को change करना. Deprive का मतलब है महरूम करना. Cannot go like this. I will read the sentence again. No country has the right to divert the natural flow of the river to deprive some other countries of water resources. पानी से मुस्तफीद होने से कोई एक मुल्क दूसरे मुल्क को नहीं रोक सकता. Now what happened after the partition? A crisis arose in the subcontinent regarding this issue. Now, most of the beneficiaries, the two countries are the strong beneficiaries are the India and Pakistan. Now you have seen it's all flowing from the northern area, the Tibetan plateaus, from the Himalayas. Now Pakistan and India are getting the river water from the glaciers of the Himalayas. Now what happened? A crisis arose. एक crisis का मतलब एक problem या बुहरान जो था वो था. What was that? Regarding to this issue, Punjab and Sindh are irrigated by the river Indus. Please circle these words. What is the information in this sentence? Punjab and Sindh. Circle Punjab and circle Sindh. What is the river irrigating these plains? Punjab और सिंध के मैदानी इलाकों को कौन सा दरिया से राब कर रहे हैं? River and Indus. So it can be your MCQ. And its tributaries. What are the tributaries? जो उसके मावन दरिया थे. What are the name the river Indus के कौन से मावन दरिया हैं? It can be your short question. Put a bracket around it and write down SQ. The river Indus and its tributaries are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Beas. When Punjab was divided into two parts, I showed you the slide. Punjab was divided. West Punjab came to Pakistan and Eastern Punjab is with India. So when Punjab was divided into two parts, rivers were also divided. Ravi, Sutlej and Beas passed through India before they entered Pakistan. Now put a bracket around it and just make a short question. On Ravi and Sutlej, write on name the rivers passes through India before they enter Pakistan. And what are the two rivers? Answer is Ravi and Sutlej. India stopped the water channel coming to the Western Punjab. Now West Punjab मैंने अभी बोला है आपसे, part of Punjab which is with us. That's why I showed you the picture, I showed you the video, because I want you to know what is the major part we are holding. West Punjab is the part of Pakistan in 1948. India stopped the water channel coming to West Punjab when? What is the information? Who stopped India? Water channel of what? River Indus. Which area? West Punjab. When? 1948. Three things to be circled in this sentence. It was the step to destroy the economy of the Punjab and Sindh. Why Sindh and Punjab? Punjab is called is the land of five rivers. Punjab, पांच दरियाओं की सरजमीन. To destroy the economy. और आपको पता है कि पंजाब और सिंध का जो मैदानी इलाका है, it is the bread and basket for the country. आपकी major crops जो हैं, we grow them here. So आपकी जितनी भी है जरूरियात जिंदगी जैसे wheat है, rice है, plains are there. मैदानी इलाके हैं, level land है, which is the bread and basket for the land of Pakistan. So to destroy the economy, पाकिस्तान की economy को, मैशत को खत्म करने के लिए India stopped the water when in 1948. Punjab and Sindh, because rivers are clear source of irrigation in these areas. I told you that these are the plain lands and they are irrigated by the tributaries of the Indus. Another injustice was done by the boundary commission formed under the headship of Redcliffe. In spite of the fact that most of the headworks were in the areas of the majority, Muslim majority areas में headworks क्या है? Headworks means division point of river, रास्ता जो बनता है या origin जहाँ से दरिया start होता है. Headworks means diversion point of the waterway, जहाँ से दरिया start होता है, were in the areas of the Muslim majority. मुसलमानों के majority इलाके जो थे उनमें इन दरियाओं का headworks थे. Redcliffe handed over them to India. अब वो मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी इलाके were handed over to India, तो क्या हो गया? पानी की जो headworks थे वो इंडिया में चले गए. The conspiracy could result in agricultural and economic destruction of Pakistan. Conspiracy means साजिश हो सकती. क्या मतलब? Economic destruction, तबाही, माशी जो तबाही थी वो पाकिस्तान. If waters are not going to irrigate the land, so what will happen? कहत आ जाएगा, there will be no crops because drought means खुश्क साली शुरू हो जाएगी, बारिशें भी नहीं होंगी, दरियाओं में पानी भी नहीं होगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा? कहत आ जाएगा, lack of and shortage of the food. When India decided to build a dam on river Sutlej, अब सुतलेज जो है वो बहावलपुर के इलाके से सदर्न पंजाब की तरफ है. ये सुतलेज और ब्यास ये वो एरियाज हैं जो सदर्न पंजाब, खानेवाल, बहावलपुर, इन सब एरियाज को इरिगेट करता है. व्हाट हैपेंड देयर? जब उन्होंने डैम बनाने का सोचा, पाकिस्तान protested strongly against it, and Pakistan informed the international community of the severity. Severity means उसकी जो एक severity पाकिस्तान की शॉर्टेज की आ रही थी, वो जो था उन्होंने फॉरेन इंटरनेशनल क्या था, यूएनओ में इन्फॉर्म किया गया. एन एग्रीमेंट. नाउ दिस होल पैराग्राफ इज योर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज व्हाट इज द इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी. अब इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी क्या है? सब नेक्स्ट स्लाइड चेंज कर लीजिएगा, मेरी पेज 96 को लीजिएगा. An agreement brokered means organized, arranged. Brokered means arranged. An agreement means एक मुआहदा arrange किया गया किसकी तरफ से? By the World Bank. And no sir, 96 page. Was signed between India and Pakistan in September 1996. When did both the countries sign that agreement? Brokered or arranged or organized by the World Bank? Who intervened? World Bank ने. When? 1960. It's a very important your short question plus your MCQ. This agreement is known as the Indus Water Treaty. They may ask you the question, yes beta, September 1960. They may ask you what is Indus Water Treaty. So you can answer that an agreement on the river issue was organized, arranged by the World Bank in September 1960. So what happened? According to the Indus Water Treaty, India retained का मतलब है to keep hold. मलकियत बन गई, to keep hold. India retained rights to the 3 eastern rivers. What are the eastern rivers of Indus? Eastern rivers, Indus के जो 3 मशरकी दरिया है वो कौन कौन से हैं? They in 3-4 lines you have got lots of MCQs and short questions. Name the 3 eastern rivers. इसके ऊपर लिख लीजिएगा बेटा. What are the Indus tributaries, eastern tributaries? Ravi, Byas and Sutlej. Pakistan obtained exclusive, complete, full, entire rights on what river? Western rivers, namely Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Got the answer? What are the eastern tributaries Pakistan got? Pakistan got the rights. Pakistan के पास जो right था, complete right to use the water, they were the western rivers. Is that clear? Sir, can I take Sir Rafakas 2 minutes to complete my chapter? It's very easy. Issues of the states, I will take only 2 minutes. Issues of the states. During the British rule, there were 635 princely states in the India. 635 states थी India में. How many princely states? 635. When the time of freedom approached, the people started to think about the future of these states. Now, these states were supposed to be the part of India or Pakistan. In cabinet mission plan, the rulers of these states were asked to participate in the constitution making. जो cabinet mission plan था constitution making, आइन बनाने में उन्होंने कहा कि आप भी participate करें for their future status as well as the protection of their interest. उन्होंने कहा कि आपको भी protection देनी, आपको भी तहफ़्फ़ुज़ चाहिए, तो you should be the part of that constitution making procedure जो भी चल रहा है. The rulers were also advised to keep in mind the choice of their people and religious affiliation. बहुत important point है. हुक्मरानों से कहा गया कि आप अपने लोगों की पसंद नापसंद को भी और उनकी religious affiliation means मजहबी वाबस्तगी, associations जो हैं उनको भी मद्देनजर रखा जाए. The British government announced termination. Termination means close करने का. उन्होंने कहा हम stop कर रहे हैं. British government announced the termination of its control over India and Indian states when? Now this is your MCQ. When did they terminated their control? कब उन्होंने उसको बंद किया, खत्म किया? February 1947 में कहा कि अब we will not be the part of this thing. Under this announcement of decolonization, मैंने colonization बताया था, rule of the strong nations over the weak. Brokered बेटा मैंने बताया था आपको, organize करना, arrange करना. Now decolonize करना, नौबदियाती निज़ाम को खत्म किया गया. They are not the part of the British colony. The states decided to affiliate either with Pakistan or India. अब those 635 states had the right to join India or Pakistan. किसी को भी वो join कर सकते थे. No immediate step was taken by the states of. अब ये जो states हैं, princely states हैं, आजाद रियासतें थी, इनके अंदर जो थे, इनके native rulers थे. नेटिव रूलर्स थे. अब वो कौन कौन सी रियासतें थी? हैदराबाद, जूनागढ़, once again हैदराबाद, जूनागढ़, मनवादर. The word is मनवादर. These are the princely states थी, and जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. अब इनके ऊपर कोई उन्होंने फौरी जो था वो डिसीजन ना लिया, and they remained like that. Armed forces, Indian armed forces occupied these states through military action. अब ये Hyderabad, Junagadh, Manvadar and Jammu and Kashmir became the part of India. How? India ने उन पर अपनी आर्मी के फोर्स से, मदद से वहां पर उन पर कब्जा कर लिया. It increased the feelings of decolonization. बेटा मैंने colonization आपको बहुत डिटेल में बताया था. जो स्ट्रॉन्ग हुकूमतें थी, वो जो कमजोर हुकूमतें थी उन पर अपना रोब दबदबा रखते थे. लाइक मैंने उस दिन भी बताया था, ब्रिटिश थे, डच थे, पोर्चुगीज थे, स्पेनिश थे, और उनके वो रिसोर्सेज को, मैन पावर को अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करते थे. तो जो ब्रिटिश कॉलोनी थी, वो सब कॉन्टिनेंट जो इंडिया और पाकिस्तान पार्टीशन नहीं हुई थी, वो उनके अंडर था. सो इट इंक्रीज द फीलिंग्स ऑफ द डिस्ट्रस्ट टुवर्ड्स द इंडिया. पुट अ डेट हियर बेटा, अप टिल हियर. एक जो डिस्ट्रस्ट की, एक लैक कर गया था, इत्तमाद की, अदम एतमाद जो था, उसकी सिचुएशन क्रिएट होगी. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच सर. Thank you for giving me 4 minutes, Rafaqat. Put a date over here, beta. Thank you so very much, beta. God bless you abundantly.
Thank you very much.
Tomorrow,
Thank
girls'
you.
turn.